Dude, I think the bird is dead. What bird? Bird outside my window. See it? How do we make the bird go away? Should I A. Shoot it with a gun? B. Shoot it with a slingshot? Or C. Throw ice cream? You decide and get back to us. Post a comment. We'll make a video about the bird. We'll actually show you the bird. The bird is the bird. We'll show you the bird. And we'll teach you the bird. Post a comment!